All right, so let's get to the end of this one. After we get our first line and our second line, what we're going to do is just add. So 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 8 is 9, 1 plus 4 is 5, 1 plus nothing is 1. So our answer is 1,591. All right, so when we did step 1 was 3 times 7. So it was the bottom ones times the top ones. All right, step 2 was bottom ones times top tens. So we did 3 times 3. Then we did second line, ones place, 0. All right, and then after we did second line, ones place, 0, we did the tens at the bottom times the ones on the top. So we did 4 times 7. And then finally, step 4, we did the tens on the bottom times the tens on the top, so 4 times 3. So as you can see, as we went through this, basically all we had to do was 1, 2, 3, 4 math facts to get our answer. Using the algorithm, all you have to do is 1, 2, 3, 4 math facts to get your answer. Don't forget about your second line, ones place, 0. All right, so let's try that again. Okay, this time I'm going to try using the numbers in the opposite direction. All right, so instead of 43 or 37 times 43, we're going to do 43 times 37. And I'm going to try and make it a little cleaner to look at this time, okay? So first thing we're going to do is 7 times 3. Our first step is 7 times 3. It's the bottom ones times the top ones. All right, so 7 times 3 is, same as it was before, is 21. We put the 1 in the ones place and we carry our 2. We will add that to the answer to step 2. All right, here's step 2. Step 2, I didn't even label step 1. All right, so step 2, this time we're going to do 7 on the bottom times 4 on the top. So the ones place times the tens place. So 7 times 4, 7 times 4 equals 28, plus the 2, 29, 30. So 7 times 4 is 28 plus these 2 from up here. So 7 times 4 was 28 plus the 2. Oh, sorry. That would have made it 30. I'm so sorry. That's a 0. Okay, so 7 times 4 is 28, 29, 30. So that's a 0. We're looking at 301 on the first line. So don't forget, on the next part, we have to do the very, very important part. Second line, ones place. I'm trying to make it 2, 1, 0. 0. All right, so second line, ones place. We have to put the 0. All right, once again, the reason why we have to put that 0 there is because if I take 3 tens is 30, and I multiply it times 3, that gives me 90. There's a 0 in the ones place. If I take 3 tens and multiply it times 4 tens, that gives me 1,200. There's a 0 in the ones place. So no matter what math we do on step 3 and step 4, there will always be a 0 in the ones place. So we put the 0 in the ones place. All right, so let's move on to step 3. Step 3 is 3 in the tens place times 3 in the ones place. So that's 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. I don't even have to carry anything this time. And then finally, step 4 is the 3 in the tens place times the 4 in the tens place. So 3 times 4, that equals 12. And as you can see, the numbers that we got in our problem are the same. But when we add them together, 1 plus 0 is 1, 9 plus 0 is 9, 3 plus 2 is 5, and 1 plus nothing is 1. So when we added them together, we got the exact same answer. And that's something cool about multiplication. It doesn't matter which order that you multiply in. As long as you use the same two numbers, you'll get the same answer. So 37 times 43 is the same thing as 43 times 37. So 4 steps, including on second line, ones place, 0.